Welcome to Kuredu Island Resort. In this video, I want to show you the beauty of the island from above, and also share important information for anyone who plans to bring a drone here. Before my trip, I expected that I could fly near my beach villa or above the coastline. But when I arrived, I learned that Kuredu has very specific rules for drone flying. The resort takes guest privacy very seriously. Many villas have open outdoor bathrooms and private spaces that cannot be recorded from the air. Because of this, drone flights are only allowed in one place on the entire island. Before you fly, you must first go to the main reception. They will give you an official permission paper with your name, your villa number, and the exact dates of your stay. Every time you want to fly, you must bring this paper to the jetty area, the place where the boats arrive. A security staff member will check your permission and confirm that the flying zone is clear. From this point, you are allowed to take off only above the ocean, never above the island itself. The safe zone is directly next to the jetty, and the flights must stay above the water. This rule protects the privacy and comfort of all guests, and keeps the resort experience peaceful for everyone. In this video, I will show you my own drone shots captured from the approved area, so you can see what kind of footage you can expect when you fly here. I will also show the exact flying zone on the official resort map, so you can prepare in advance before your holiday. If you plan to visit Kuredu and bring your drone, I hope this information helps you avoid surprises and enjoy your flight safely and respectfully. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more travel videos and drone content.